Hello guys! Hi Jen! Say hi Ana! Hi pa! Hi Jai! Ana! Ikaw pa! Hi Ma! Nay! We're going to Secret! Sige Ana! Hello! Okay! Okay na! Okay na! And we are here now at sa biyahe na papuntang Davao Airport because we're going to Cebu. Yes, my family will be visiting Cebu for 14 days and they will be spending their Christmas at there, by the way. So dun sila magsa-celebrate ng Christmas, and most of all, this is their first time experience. So since naka-stop pa ang light, so wait lang muna tayo, no, to na mag-go para maka-alis na rin or maka-under na rin yung sasakyan papuntang Davao Airport. So what I have just video here is the nature or the ambience or ang kanindot sa dalan sa Davao, kay dili kay siya traffic and organized gid siya, no. So kung makita po nimo walay mga basura. So we are here now at airport. Anyway, there will be their first time na mag-travel.